Yes, my name is Muhammad Shiraz. I'm starting with NCRT maths, and it is from class 9 and chapter 1. We will go in this channel. You will see all NCRT maths and from all the classes. It's not finishing here. So on the other side, it is with -1, -2, -3, -4, and it is always positive. It is denoted by n. And what are the natural numbers? It started with 1 and it's go on, and it is always per line. We have the both numbers. What all about this one? This whole is called integers. And what are the integers? Integers are denoted by z, and we should multiply it here, we should multiply it here and here. So it will become 5 by 5 and 10 by 5. It become 5 by 5 and 10 by 5. So and 5 by 5, and I take last 9 by 5. So these 5 numbers are rational number which are in between 1 and 2. Is introduction of exercise number 1. So in the next video I'll go for the exercise. So make sure that you should understand before going to the exercise what the number system is. So for the exercise, check the link for the next video.